Okay, so let's just take a look at one of the setups that we had this morning. This was in NVDA, and this was on a 30-minute chart, and it was a price cluster decision because we had the minimum 3 price relationships come together. We had a 786 retracement of the larger swing, and then we had an extension of this swing and an extension of this swing. That gave us the cluster at 239.35 to 90. And then basically when you test and hold the zone, what you have to do is go down to the lower time frame chart for a trigger. Okay, you want the lower time frame chart because you want it to trigger as close to where your definition of risk is as possible. So here's the 1 minute chart. Okay, this is where we tested support. Your first trigger was here when you both took out this prior swing high, 242.15, and you had the 834 EMA crossover to the upside. So at that point, you could be a buyer, place your stop either underneath here or the low end of the zone. Did have a nice move off of it, but if you were shorter term oriented, you were trailing a stop relatively close, you would have gotten stopped out right over here. Okay, but that's just another example of what we're doing during the day in the room.